good afternoon. So it's been some time that we haven't update our vlog.
Yeah, we haven't made
Yeah,
any
and
vlog
we have
yet.
a reason for that. Mark's really hurt and he's not that well using the computer. And I don't know how to edit it.
So it's slow. It takes a long time to edit videos.
We're just waiting until he gets his cast off by the grace of God next week.
Yeah.
So we're just making a raw video because we have some friends, particularly his friends, who's demanding a new video. Hi, Gordon! So, alright. I'm just gonna ask him 10 questions.
10? I haven't studied.
Are you ready?
No.
Count 1 up to 10. Bisaya
1, 2,
version.
Usa, duha, tulu, upat, lima, onom, pitu, walu, siyam, polo.
Yeah!
Don't forget the tongue. Polo, polo,
Polo.
polo,
Polo.
polo,
We'll take a day with this. Polo.
polo.
Okay, whatever.
What's 10 in German?
10.
I got
Zehn.
you.
It's then.
10,
10.
10,
10.
10,
10.
10. Yeah, you're doing it right. I just want to remind you.
Oh, okay. So it's a 10 question.
Mhm.
Not about me.
Okay. About me?
Steamy.
About science?
Naughty
start.
question. Sorry, joking. How do you define love?
That's a hard question. Love is... Well, there's different kinds of love. Like a kid to a parent, parent to a kid. Between friends.
To me.
To you. Someone that is so close that it feels like you're basically my other half. Like you are part of me. I don't feel like you're a different person.
You
like
own
just,
me?
like it's just we are so close that it feels like you are the same person.
Mabu, it's not definition of love.
What is love?
In Bisaya, we have this saying, love is like a bubble gum.
Lots of flavors in the end, but tasteless.
You're so nervous. I'm just joking.
Okay.
It's not the first question.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
What was your first impression of me?
Very pretty. Yeah.
Not Nemo.
No. And that you like Fast and Furious because you be like, hey Dom, can I be your letty?
Did I say
Yeah.
for me to be your letty?
Yeah.
No, you have to cut that out. No.
Okay.
You're exposing me.
Okay, first impression of you, very kind and open. Very
Yeah,
pretty.
tell me things I want to hear.
Yeah, kind, caring. Not crazy at first. But this one changed fast.
Okay. What was your earliest happy memory of me? With me
Earliest?
or of me?
I think that's when we were texting and we were not together yet. I was in the train going from work to my school. I was texting you while I was in the train. And for those that don't know, her name is Abby, A-B-B-Y. So I called her baby and said, oh, I'm sorry, I meant Abby. Because I wasn't sure, like I can play it safe if she doesn't like it, but she liked it so much and that's the earliest happy memory.
Okay. What was your earliest bad memory of me?
Earliest bad memory?
Hmm?
I don't think I have any bad memories.
Are you sure?
I think when you showed me the picture of you in the ice field and you said it was a date with your ex. I know it's Dave, but you said it was a date, so I thought it's your ex-boyfriend. That made me really sad because the picture you showed me was so beautiful.
Hi Dave! I
Hi,
still love
Dave.
you! Okay.
It's approved, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Dave's fine.
Dave is totally fine, he's so great. She just said date. But for her, everything with friend is a date. So
It was a date. It was a date. It was a group date.
So
I
for
was.
Filipinas, a date is everything you do with a friend. Like if I go to the cinema with a friend, it's a date.
Yeah,
for you.
of course.
Yeah, for Swiss people, not. Date here is romantically. You're interested, you want to get in a relationship with that person. That's date for us. So
Well-
I got really confused when she called it a date.
Well, I wanted to be in a relationship with Dave.
Thanks, Dave,
Before.
for saying no.
No! I was so open that I have a crush on Dave.
I know.
Yeah, he knows that.
I
And
know.
I know it too. Yeah.
I know he knows.
Yeah, he's a good guy, Bobby.
I know.
Question number 3. What was your favorite memory of me?
My favorite. Oh, there's so much.
Yeah, just
My
a favorite.
favorite.
Yeah, the most favorite one.
I think when we were diving in Sikihor, after diving, just on the boat together, sharing this experience. It's like having an adventure together. But really, it was all the time that we were together. So many things to see.
Okay. What's the sexiest part of my body?
Sexy.
Answer this correctly, Mago!
The sexiest part of your body.
Hmm?
Everything.
Nah, but no!
No.
No, just one part.
Just one part. Your eyes.
Nah, you're stealing my answer.
Sorry.
I don't know why I have this on the list. So when did you realize that you love me?
Very early, shortly after we got together.
So we got together and you don't love me yet?
I like you very, very much. But shortly after I realized that I love you.
Mm-hmm. And why is that?
Because of everything you do. You're...
I hate you!
I guess I need to reconsider my answer. No, I'm still
It's okay. If there's one place you'd like to visit with me one day, where would it be and why?
You.
5.
No, it's not. That's
3.
Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
And why?
In London. Because we both love the city. You've never been, I've been. It's a very beautiful city. And you showed me the wonders of Harry Potter. And I want to experience that with you there. Yeah. Number 2 is Tokyo.
Okay, he likes Tokyo.
I do. With or without you. Just kidding. Of course, with
Okay. What do you enjoy doing most with me?
everything.
No, just a specific one.
Going on adventures with you, seeing new things, exploring.
Okay,
And
so
holding
like
your hand.
driving along and going.
Driving, hiking, walking, seeing.
That's a lot, Wow.
Exploring new places with you.
Oh, okay.
Having memories together.
So that's question number 5.
Having
I lost track.
Yeah, me too. Just
Okay.
continue.
Okay. In which situations do you feel unloved?
When you want to make a scene, you'd be like, I don't love you, I don't love you, don't touch me.
It's like making a scene. We're just alone together when I do that.
Yeah, I know. Isn't it making a scene?
It,
But it
for me,
makes me
making
feel
a scene is like
with other
if you're
people.
out of people
Okay.
and like you're.
Okay, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I used to tease him like I
Yeah.
don't love him anymore and that I changed my mind.
Yeah, I hate that. I know she loves me and I trust her, but I really hate that. It makes me feel so bad.
Yeah. And his like facial expression will just change if I tell him that I don't love him anymore.
Yeah.
Mura may makailad pa kog lain ani no.
Why are
Do you think we spend too much time together
No.
or too little?
Too little.
Too little.
Yeah.
We're basically like together 24/7.
At the moment, yeah.
Yeah.
That's how it should be. For me.
okay.
I want to spend all my time with you.
Yeah, you have to work. You have to cook. You have to shower.
We can arrange that.
I will not go to the movie.
We'll just get a double toilet and we can face each other.
No.
No.
Is there a question you want to ask me but haven't because you're afraid of the answer?
No. I can ask you everything.
Really?
Will you marry me?
No. I can't wait
See?
to marry you. Okay, just 2 more questions.
Okay, so you're on 8.
8, okay. What do I do that shows you that I love you?
Making food, caring up for me. Now that I'm hurt, giving massage when I have a headache. Just take care of me.
Oh.
And you're always so kind. Okay, so last question.
If there's anything you'd want to change in me, what would it be and why?
Your address. To
What?
here.
That's so cute. Oh, did you think of that?
It's just,
Oh.
Ow. I'm saying, we're watching TV, she's like, oh, that's so cute, why can't you be like that? I'd be like that, and she's like, why did you think of this?
Okay, let's go. Okay, that's all for
Thank
today. I'm going to the bed with him. Cherry's life.
Next time I'm gonna ask her the same time question.
Bye-bye.
Bye.